Welcome to MotorMix. At MotorMix, we're all about exploring the latest automotive innovations, and today, we're diving into the refreshed 2025 Ford Edge. Known for its practicality, comfort, and tech-savvy features, the Ford Edge has been a staple in the midsize SUV segment. The 2025 model brings significant updates, including a sleeker design, improved performance, and cutting-edge technology, aiming to maintain its position as a leader in its class. Exterior design, bold and modern. The 2025 Ford Edge makes a striking first impression with its bold, updated design. The front fascia features a larger, intricately detailed grille paired with slim LED headlights, giving it a futuristic look. A sculpted hood and aerodynamic side profiles contribute to its sleek appearance, while new wheel designs ranging from 18 to 21 inches add a sporty flair. The rear end has been modernized with full-set LED taillights and a redesigned bumper, giving the Edge a more cohesive and contemporary look. Interior, spacious and tech-focused. Step inside the 2025 Ford Edge and you're greeted by a spacious and high-tech cabin designed for families and commuters alike. The SUV offers seating for 5, with ample headroom and legroom in both rows. Premium materials, such as soft thub surfaces and optional leather upholstery, elevate the interior's feel. At the center is a massive 15.5-inch vertical touchscreen powered by Ford's Sync 4A infotainment system, offering seamless navigation, smartphone integration, and voice control. A 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster is standard, providing customizable driving information. Performance, power, and efficiency combined. The 2025 Ford Edge is available with 2 powertrains. The base engine is a 2.0-liter EcoBoost 4-cylinder, delivering 250 horsepower and 280 PFT of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. For those craving more power, the Edge ST features a 2.7-liter twin-turbo V6, producing 335 horsepower and 380 EFT of torque, producing an exhilarating drive. Both engines are available with all-wheel drive, and the Edge provides smooth handling and a comfortable ride, making it versatile for city streets and long road trips. Technology and safety, cutting-edge features. Ford has equipped the 2025 Edge with a robust suite of technology and safety features. The standard Ford Co-Pilot360 package includes adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and pre-collision braking. The Edge also features hands-free driving capabilities with BlueCruise 1.3 on select trims, providing an extra layer of convenience during highway commutes. Additionally, the infotainment system supports over-the-air updates, ensuring the SUV stays up to date with the latest software enhancements. Practicality, room for everything. One of the Ford Edge's strengths has always been its practicality, and the 2025 model doesn't disappoint. With 39.2 cubic feet of cargo space behind the rear seats and 73.4 cubic feet with them folded down, it offers plenty of room for groceries, luggage, or outdoor gear. The cabin features numerous storage compartments for smaller items, while the available hands-free liftgate adds convenience to loading and unloading. Fuel economy. Efficiency matters. The 2025 Edge delivers competitive fuel efficiency for its class. The 2.0-liter EcoBoost engine achieves an estimated 24 mpg in the city and 31 mpg on the highway, while the more powerful 2.7-liter V6 manages a respectable 21 mpg combined. With these figures, the Edge balances power and efficiency, making it a practical choice for daily driving and long-distance journeys. Trims and pricing. Ford offers the 2025 Edge in 4 trims: SE, SEL, Titanium, and ST. The base SE starts at $39,000, offering excellent value with its standard tech and safety features. The SEL and Titanium trims, priced at $42,000 and $46,000 respectively, add more comfort and convenience options. The sporty ST trim tops the lineup at $53,000, catering to drivers who want a performance-oriented SUV with premium features. Conclusion: a versatile and modern SUV. The 2025 Ford Edge continues to impress as a well-rounded midsize SUV. With its striking design, spacious interior, and range of advanced features, it's clear Ford has put a lot of thought into making the Edge a standout choice for families and individuals alike. Whether you're after practicality, performance, or cutting-edge tech, the Edge has something to offer. Thank you for joining us on this in-depth review at MotorMix. What's your take on the 2025 Ford Edge? Let us know in the comments below. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more automotive insights. See you next time.